It's Pride Week at Chobham, so here's how you can make your own rainbow at home using M&Ms and diffusion. We're first going to line up the M&Ms around the edge of the plate so that they're different colours next to each other. Now we are going to fill up the middle with water and watch the colour diffuse. And as you can see, the colours are diffusing from the M&Ms towards the centre of the water, making a rainbow. And the colours have now met in the middle, and that's how you make your own rainbow at home, using M&Ms and diffusion.